How to use Deepseek to do affiliate marketing. I've been doing affiliate marketing for a few years now, and you can see the kind of results I've got with it. I had been doing it the hard way, but today I'm going to show you the easy way with AI, things like Deepseek, how you can make this process really cool and really fast. In fact, I'll be showing you in 3 steps how to get there. So this is Nella Fernandez from Fit-Preneur-Ship. I help others start their own side hustle where they are their own boss and get to true time, location, and financial freedom. So if you're ready to discover these 3 steps, comment, let's go, and let's get started. So first, we will be using ClickBank to get our affiliate product. You can use, depending on a niche, you can use various other affiliate platforms like JVZoo, WarriorPlus, ClickBank. Also, you could get affiliate products from things like Google searches, etc. But let's talk about a bank now. So I'm in my ClickBank marketplace. So what have I to do? I have to search for products. Look at this high to low ranking. So this is the average dollar per conversion, 134.47. That's pretty good. You can see what this product is all about. Have a look. The various things, the affiliate page, you can check all those things out. And if you think that product is good for you to promote to your viewers, you need to do is click the promote. You need to put your affiliate name here, and this is your link. So you can just copy the link there. Now, I would not suggest directly putting this link. In fact, I would suggest having a landing page in between this link and your social media account. So where you're going to get your traffic from. But in case you want to do it directly to this, also it's possible. But let's see how. I would suggest shortening this link by something like Bitly. So now I'm in a program called Bitly. That's your affiliate link now. I can use this on my social media sites or give it to anyone in an email or even pass it along to friends and family. And if they buy from this link, you should start getting commissions. So like this DLC method of mine, I talk about this in another video. Also, I'll leave a link to this as well. What is this all about? So this is my whole affiliate marketing in a nutshell. So whatever traffic you're getting from, I would suggest going to a landing page before going to the sales page. So the affiliate link we got would take us directly to the sales page. I always tell people to have a landing page in between. You could always have it directly to the affiliate page as well, but social media accounts might ban your account sometimes if you're directly promoting to affiliate link. Always, it's a good idea to have a landing page in between. I have another video showing you how to build this landing page. I'll also link that down. You could be getting a landing page and capturing people's emails and putting them to a group as well. So that's the first thing, get your affiliate link. So after you've got your affiliate link, step 2 is to get onto Threads or Instagram. Now, I've been using Instagram for years now, and you can see I've got over 60,000 followers on Instagram. Now you could use Threads, which is a easier way to do it. I'm going to show you how to use Threads to do this affiliate marketing. So Threads are also a part of Instagram and Meta, where you could have a link directly in your bio and also put a link in the posts as well. So you can see this account, they're promoting some health products. So say this is a health product itself, this Mytolin or so. It is a health product. You can see a health niche on Threads is promoting that, and that's an affiliate link here. So that's your second step to get on to Threads or so. But now let us see what you're going to do. So step 3 is set up this Instagram account or this Threads account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave links to my group where I'm going to leave these prompts. So you could just put in the prompt like this. And first prompt is to get a bio for Threads. So let's see how Deepseek can work with this. Okay, so it's going to give me a bio to put in Threads. Now you could customize this prompt to make it your own and get Deepseek to give you a great bio that will entice people to click through. So now you can see Deepseek has given me some great bios to work with Threads, and you can read through them and see which one really picks your fancy. There are 5 variants that it has given me here. So you could get a great bio and put it into Threads. Okay, so the bio you're going to put here, you're going to edit this bio of yours. Obviously, this is not mine. I cannot edit it. So you're going to put it here, and that would entice people to click through to your link. Okay, so your link would be there. Now, the next step, I would want Deepseek to write me up some content. Okay, so it is really good. Deepseek can do a lot of hard work. So I'm putting in a second prompt here. Okay, now this prompt is going to get me some great content. The goal of this is 80% of my posts are going to be pure value, and about 20% are going to be some call to action to tell people to click through to my link. Okay, and this is being, I've heard this is working really well, these threads thing, and people are really doing with it. Okay, so now Deepseek is working on that, and it should give me a tabulated thing with about 30 posts, which I can directly put into threads. And that's how this kind of content is going to entice people to read my posts and also click through to my link. And somebody clicks through the link and sees the product and buys from that, you get an affiliate commission. Now you can see these posts are ready. I'll be posting once a day. You could be posting more than once a day. And you can see this call to action posts, CTA posts. The other one are value posts. So I told it to give me 20% call to action posts and 80% value posts, and it has done just that. And it looks pretty good. So you could read through this and also keep posting from here. So that's about how you use this with. And once you start posting here, you should start getting traffic and people seeing your content and also clicking on your link. So that's about this method. I've been getting my $1,000 and $2,000 days with affiliate marketing. If you want to learn how to do that, I have a free training and I'll leave that link also in the description. So have a look at that. I've been taking a lot of courses. I've spent thousands of dollars in learning some of this stuff, and I'm giving it to you free. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when I have new videos out. And I will also leave links to the other things for making a landing page and also doing faceless content on Instagram, on any other channels of yours, YouTube, TikTok, and I'll leave links to that as well.